Hello everyone, today we will take a look at Kodak Ultramax 400 film simulation recipe for Fujifilm cameras. Not many people use this recipe, so I thought to give it a try. I like the warm golden tones, higher contrast and saturation. If you like the previous Kodak recipes from Fuji X Weekly, you're going to love this one. If you want to know what film simulations and film recipes are, check the link at the end of this video. First, let me show you some photos I've taken on the streets of Valencia, Spain. All photos are straight from the camera JPEGs and were taken with the Fujifilm X-T4 and multiple lenses. Thank you for watching this video, please like and subscribe, this helps me grow my channel and make more videos for you to watch. If you want to support me even more, check out my presets pack, prints and links in the description. To customize your film recipe, go to Image Quality Settings, Edit Save Custom Settings, select one of the custom profiles, and select Edit Custom Name to give it a name. When you are done, select Set. Go to your Ultramax 400 profile and select Edit. Set Film Simulation to Classic Chrome. Grain Effect to Strong, Large. Color Chrome Effect to Weak. Color Chrome Effects Blue to Weak. White Balance to Auto, White Balance Shift, Red +1 and Blue -5. The Dynamic Range to Auto, Dynamic Range Priority Off, Tone Curve Highlights to +1, Shadows to +1, Color to +4, Sharpness to 0, High ISO Noise Reduction to -4, Clarity +3. Now hit the back button and select OK to save your film recipe. When you want to select it, press the Q button, then use the back wheel to select your custom recipe. Keep in mind, this affects just the JPEGs. Only the dynamic range option affects the RAW files. Check out my video about the dynamic range settings here.